If you are wondering if you can assign the Gemini app to the side button on your iPhone 17e, then the answer is unfortunately no. It is not possible to use Gemini with the side button. Usually, of course, in order to customize the side button or the shortcut, by default, of course, it is used to activate Siri. And if you go to accessibility in settings, then over here we can find the side button option, and in here we can decide if you want to use Siri or not. But unfortunately, even if we install a Gemini app, we cannot really replace Siri with Gemini. And what you can do instead is you can use the action button for that. So if we once again go to settings and then choose the action button option, over here we should be able to go to the, let me try to find it. It should be shortcut. There we go. Now over here we can choose the shortcut and we can go ahead and select Open App. Now from this list we need to select Gemini. There we go. And that is all we have to do. So now we should be able to activate the Gemini quite easily by pressing and holding the action button. So we can do something like this instead. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.